it's on public property, it's probably illegal.
Maybe it's a private.
Yeah, it could be. I don't know.
That is cool. 30 or I don't know.
Yeah, that's all right.
Look at the wood or thin.
Yeah. Built like homes, but yeah, it'll last a few years. He's got shingles on his roof.
Yeah.
Got a nice overlook here. He does, he does.
Oh, hold on.
Like the little yellow flowers.
What do you call that? Golden...
Not this. No, this isn't goldenrod. Or gold, yeah.
No, that's a
Goldenrod is that stuff over there that looks kind of fuzzy. Fungus, that's a mushroom.
That's a weird one.
Yep. That's a weird time.
Goldenrod here.
I think it's goldenrod.
Yeah, I think so too.